Hi, my name is Philip, your intuitive analyst. Today we are looking at the analysis of investment preferences, and let's start with the ratio of investment avenue by gender. That is the first chart that is on our dashboard, and we can see that we have the female leading the pack, and also the next chart is the ratio of investment avenue by age group, and we have the early adults um, leading the pack over there also. Factors influencing investment by age group: we have the established adults at the highest level, and the savings objective based on duration, and we have the wealth creation is the highest on the rank among the three, and we have the rate of debentures by age group, and that is the established adults leading the pack. Also, we have the reason for investment by expected return, and so therefore the returns are the ones with the highest margin. So let's go to the next page. On the next page, we can see the rate of equity market by based on the age group, and that is the established adulthood um, having the highest margin, and the rate of government bonds and fixed deposits based on age group. So the established adults investment on government bonds and fixed deposits. Also, we have the rate of gold and PPF by age group. So the established adults also are also leading the pack over there also. So we have the report summary at the top of that chart. That is that is all about the report for the. Okay, we can also go back to the previous button also. Once you want to go back, you can click on the back button to go back to the previous chart. So that is all about the part of the analysis of investment preferences. Thanks.